Struggling to grow on YouTube? No views? No subscribers? You're not alone. Millions want to grow, but the algorithm is tough. That's why creators are using TubeMagic, a powerful AI tool that helps you grow faster and smarter. TubeMagic writes your scripts, generates ideas, creates thumbnails, researches keywords, and even tells you the best time to post. It's like having a full professional YouTube team inside one single AI platform. No editing skills? No problem. TubeMagic helps you make viral shorts in minutes. No expensive software? You don't need it. Everything is inside TubeMagic. It gives you the best titles, hashtags, SEO tags, and video descriptions. Want trending topics? TubeMagic scans the internet and gives you what people are searching for right now. Creators using TubeMagic are getting more views, more subscribers, and more income. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool will take your content to the next level. YouTube growth has never been this easy or this fast. Try TubeMagic today and start growing your channel with the power of AI.